You're having a video taken. Yes, you are.
No swearing, Rosa.
No, no swearing. Rosa, rub your belly. It's a good boy.
No, leave Kira for a minute. He's showing you his lips.
Oh dear, I can't edit that on the video, so it's warts and all. Can edit it on stills?
Well, he's pleased to see her, you see.
No, don't
yeah.
come
Well,
to me.
actually, he's had his house all the time since he came out.
Has he?
That's because of you, Rosa.
It's just exciting, yeah.
Where's he
Where
going?
his cats are.
Oops, have a tiddle, we got that. Come on, you. Come on. Hey, good boy. Sit then. Do we know sit? Not yet.
I've been long in the room.
Jacob. Jacob.